Welcome to this new video. Today we're going to do the daily challenge. Uh, new month it's upon us with the 1st of July. Let's get started. Alright, the video of yesterday took maybe a bit longer than I was hoping for, so I hope this video will be maybe a bit shorter. But I will explain everything in order for you to get started with your first Sudoku. So this is a fun technique. How do I know this must be a 1? We have a 1 here, and we have a 1 here. So the only possible option for the 1 is to be placed in one of these two cells. So in this row. So one of these can't be 1, this can't be 1 because of that one, and this can't be a 1 because of that one. So that must be a 1. Alright, let's move on to the 2's. Same for this. Square the 2 must be in one of these two cells, so the only possible options for the 2 is one of these two cells. Must be a 2 placed one of these two cells, but this must be a 3. One of these must be a 3. And one of these must be a 3. Let's look to 4s. This must be a 4. Alright, that's everything we can do with the 4s. Let's move on to the 5. To the 5s. One of these two must be a 5, so the 5 is going to be in this row, so it can't be in one of these two cells, and it can't be here, so this must be a 5 then. This must be a 6 for the same reason. It can't be placed here because of that 6. It can't be placed here, so this is the only possible option for the 6. Because we need a 6 in this column. Or in this square, I mean. So, 6 can't be placed here, can't be placed here because of that 6. And it can't be placed here. So this is the only possible option for the 6. Then this is the only possible option for the 6. Then this is. Nice. 7. One of these two cells is going to be a 7. Yeah, and in this square, one of these two cells. Alright, let's see. Can we do anything with the 8? Must be one of these two cells for the same technique. Using the same technique, so this must then be an 8. And this must be an 8. Then this must be an 8. And this must be an 8. Alright, 9. This must be a 9. And one of these must be a 9. This must be a 9 because we need a 9 in this square, so it's going to be one of these two cells. So this can't be a 9, and these 3 can't be a 9 because of that 9, so this must be a 9. Alright, Let's look at this row. We need a 2 and a 3. Do we have 2 here? So this must be the 3 and then this must be the 2. We need an 8 and a 2 somewhere here. But the 8 can't be placed here. Of these two because of that 8, so this must be the 8. And this must be the 2. Which makes this the 2. Which makes this the 2. Which makes this the 2 because the 2 is going to be placed one of these two squares. So this can't be 2 and this can't be 2 for that. Because of that 2. Yeah, but this is, yeah, we don't know which the 2 is going to be. Alright, let's look at, what should we look at next? And this is a fun one. We need a 4 in this row, but we have a 4 here, so the only possible option is this one. This technique is not very common, because it normally doesn't really work out, but sometimes it will come in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's, oh no, we have 5 and a 7. Is that right? Yeah, but we have 5 in this row already, so this must be a 7. This must be a 5. To finish this square, we need a 4. Here do we need 1. And we need a 5 and a 2 here. Right? Yes, so this must be the 5 or 2. And this must be the 3 or the 9. Alright. Alright. What should we look for next? Yeah, we can just start over by normal Sudoku rules. Yeah. Isn't really fun, is it? Can't do anything with the 2s. No. With the 3s. Yeah, we can place it here, so that means this is 3, this is 9. And this would be 5. Yeah, and I think we can solve it. Now let's try and speed it up. We need a 9 here. Oh no, that's, yeah, it's a multiple choice. C5. So it must be placed here, must be placed here. Which makes this 5, which makes this 8, 2, and this a 5, which makes this a 2. We also need a 4. Well, let's see if we can solve this with a 4. Then, oh, maybe this is going to be a bit harder than I, no, I don't think so. Because this is a 9, that will help us a lot. Because I know this is a 1, 3, 3, 7, and the 4, 8, 3, and 4. We solved it. A new month. The first puzzle of the new month, and we solved it in under 10 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something, and have a nice day.